Dear student, in this video we will study about nature of carbon metal bond. Starting before carbon metal bond, we have to think about organometallic compound. Those compounds in which metal atom is directly attached with carbon known as organometallic compound. For example, FiCO5 iron pentacarbonyl. Here ligand is carbon monoxide and donor site of carbon monoxide is carbon. Hence, in this coordination compound, central metal atom, that is iron, is directly attached with the carbon of the carbonyl. Hence, it will be example of organometallic compound. Again, NiCN4 minus 2 tetracyano or tetracyanido nucleate second anion. So here donor site of ligand cyanide is C carbon and metal is nickel. So here direct attach is set up between nickel and carbon. So it is example of the organometallic compound. On other hand, if it is written as NiNC whole 4 minus 2, it will be not the example of organometallic compound. It is why? Because here direct attachment with carbon and nickel does not hold good. Here linkage between nickel and nitrogen of the cyanide atom. Direct attachment between nickel and nitrogen of the cyanide. And for organometallic compound, metal and carbon should be attached directly. It will be not the example of organometallic compound. Some other examples: FiCl6 minus 4. It is also not example of organometallic compound. The organometallic compound means those compound in which metal is directly attached with the carbon. After this, we will study which type of attachment will set up between metal and carbon. So here there are two types of attachment. In first case, banana bond is obtained. Structure of bond is just like banana. And under second category, sandwich bond is set up. In sandwich bond, metal atom is flanked between two carbon containing ligands. So mostly we have to study in this topic what is the nature of carbon metal bond in organometallic compound. organometallic compound are those compounds in which metal atom is directly attached with carbon of the either kind of ligand Example of organometallic compound K4FeCN6 or FeCN6 4 -2 में -4 NiCO4 CrC2O4 thrice -3 Two types of bond exist between carbon and metal in organometallic compound. First bond is banana and second bond is sandwich. Nature of carbon metal bond. In this case, we will study especially two types of bond. First, banana bond. And in second, sandwich bond. Now let us consider the example FiCO5. Oxidation state of Fi is 0. Fi 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d6, 4s2. And accordingly, as molecular orbital theory on the basis of mode, molecular orbital theory, carbon monoxide, atomic number of carbon is 6 and atomic number of oxygen is 8. 6 plus 8, 14 electron. Sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, sigma 2pz2, pi 2px identical pi 2py. Corresponding anti-bonding pi star 2px pi star 2py and sigma star 2pj. These are vacant. We have 14 electrons. All the 14 electrons are distributed in these. In case of central atom, d orbital is incomplete, and in case of ligand carbon monoxide, pi anti-bonding and sigma anti-bonding orbitals are vacant. Due to influence of strong ligand carbon monoxide is strong ligand. So when ligand approaches the central atom for the formation of coordinate bond, pairing takes place in the d orbital of the central atom, that is 3d orbital of the Fi, and 4s electrons are pushed back. When 4s electrons are pushed back due to effect of strong ligand carbon monoxide, then 8 electrons will present in the 3d. Since carbon monoxide is strong ligand, due to effect of this, 4s electron will push back in 3d. So due to this, here there are 8 electrons in the d, and after push back of 4s electron, pairing will also occur on the basis of that 8 electrons are paired in any 4 d orbitals are of the 5 types, and when 4s electrons are pushed back, then d electron number of d electron will be 8. 8 electron will form 4 pair, and d orbitals are of the 5 types. So thus one d orbital becomes vacant. So now ligand provides its pi molecular electron, that is electron from 2px or 2py in the vacant d orbital of the central atom Fi, and paired d electrons are tends to introduce its electron pair in vacant molecular orbital of the ligand. It means ligand will provide its lone pair electron in vacant orbital of the central atom, and paired electron of 3d will provide its pair in vacant orbital of the ligand carbon monoxide. Thus, back bonding is set up. Initially, carbon monoxide will provide its electron pair from pi molecular orbital in vacant orbital of the Fi, and paired electron of the 3d of Fi will available its electron in vacant orbital of the carbon monoxide. So thus back bonding is set up. Due to this, bond like banana is obtained. CD orbital Korea due to effect of strong ligand CO. और यह इलेक्ट्रॉन will push back into 3D. After this pairing occurs, vacant and for ligand CO. And for ligand sigma pi 2px2 pi 2py2 pi star 2px pi star 2py. These are vacant. Paired electron of ligand will enter in vacant orbital of the Fi, and paired electron of Fi will enter in vacant orbital of the ligand CO. Thus, back bonding will take place. This is like this. And these are enter in the vacant pi molecular orbital. So this is the example of back bonding, and in this case structure like banana is obtained. Metal ligand thus metal ligand. This is the shape of banana, hence it is also known as banana bond. Due to back bonding, another kind of carbon metal bond is sandwich bond, in which metal atom is flanked packed between two carbon containing ligands. Best popular example of sandwich bond is ferrocene. when metal atom is flanked means packed between two carbon containing ligand sandwich bond is formed. Example of sandwich bond is kerosene. Cyclopentadiene anion Fi cyclopentadiene anion. So here metal atom iron is packed flanked between two cyclopentadiene anion. So thus its structure is like the sandwich. On the basis of similarities in structure, it is also regarded as sandwich bond. Sandwich bond. And name of compound is kerosene. Kerosene. Now application of coordination compound. There are various applications, out of which some important applications are in medicine. Coordination compound of platinum known as cisplatin is used in the formation of medicine of cancer. Complex compound of silver is used in the preparation of eye drop. Coordination compound of cobalt are used to prepare the medicine for the blood circulation. There are various organic compounds which are used in medicine. In biological sense, RBC of our body, blood are of the three types: RBC, WBC and platelets. RBC is raised due to presence of hemoglobin. Hemoglobin contains two parts, iron and globular protein. So hemoglobin is coordination compound of the iron, and it carries oxygen to the cells during breathing or respiration. For photosynthesis in plants, chlorophyll is essential. Chlorophyll is coordination compound of the magnesium. In metallurgy, for extraction of metal from ore, role of complex compound or coordination compound is more important. From separation of silver from its ore, argentite cyanidation process is occur, which is also known as MacArthur Forrest process. So when Ag2S silver sulfide or argentite ore of silver, so when argentite Ag2S is treated with sodium cyanide, sodium argentocyanide, that is coordination compound is obtained and sulfur is removed. After this, it is treated with zinc dust. So being more active, zinc replaces silver from the coordination compound. So when sodium argento means argentinum, Latin name of silver. So when sodium argentocyanide is treated with zinc dust, replacement reaction occurs in which sodium cyanozincate is obtained and silver is removed. So thus silver becomes free from the coordination compound. After purification treatment, pure silver is obtained, which is used in the several works. So now some use for the coordination compound. Use of coordination compound. First, in medicine, coordination compound of platinum is used to prepare for medicine of cancer. Compound is known as cisplatin. Coordination compound of silver is used in eye drop. Second, in living organism. For photosynthesis. Chlorophyll is essential, which is coordination compound of Mg. Vitamin B complex B12 is coordination compound of cobalt. When vitamin B complex is added in water, pink color is obtained. The solution of vitamin B complex creates pink color in water due to presence of cobalt. Cobalt gives pink color. So when vitamin B complex is added in water, pink color is obtained. You may check it in your house. Hemoglobin is part of RBC, red blood corpuscles. It carries or transfers oxygen to cells during respiration or breathing. Respiration. It is means hemoglobin is coordination compound of Fi. In metallurgy, separation of silver from its ore argentite is based upon coordination chemistry. Based upon coordination chemistry. Coordination chemistry. Ag2s plus 4 NiCl Na2 to Na Ag Cn whole 4 Cn whole twice. सोडियम अर्जेंटो साइनाइड सिंपल नेम सोडियम अर्जेंटो साइनाइड प्लस Na2S. When sodium argentocyanide is heated with zinc dust, silver is replaced. It is coordination compound. There are various roles of coordination compound in our everyday life, not for living things, but also in the case of conversion of many substances and in metallurgy, along with different industrial techniques.